Let us learn about rocks in detail. The Earth is formed in layers. The topmost layer is called the crust. The crust is made of rocks. Rocks can be very big. They can be very tiny. They can be made of different colors and have many different shapes. There are 3 types of rocks. Their names tell how they're formed. Under the ground, there is hot, molten rock. This is called magma. When magma cools, it becomes rock. Magma comes up to the surface from volcanoes. It forms rocks above the surface. Magma can also cool under the surface. It makes rocks under the ground. The rocks that are formed from magma are called igneous rocks. The Earth's crust is made mostly of igneous rocks. There are over 700 kinds. Sometimes pieces of rocks, minerals, and soil are moved by wind and water. They are carried to a different place. They are piled up together. They pile up under lakes and oceans. They get pressed together over time. The rocks that are formed in this way are called sedimentary rocks. That's because the parts that make them up are called sediments. Other rocks change from one kind to another. Metamorphic rocks change form. That's what their name means, to change. These rocks are often formed under mountains. The pressure or heat changes these rocks. Basalt can change into granulite. Limestone can change into marble. Have you ever seen something made of marble? Maybe a statue, a countertop, or a building? Rocks are used in many different ways in our world. Can you think of some ways in which we use rocks? A rock called graphite is used in pencils. We build houses with rocks. We make walls and fireplaces. We also use them for jewelry. We think of rocks as being very strong. That's why we use them in our buildings. But they do wear away over time. Wind and water wear them down. What happens when rocks break down? They become part of the soil. Let us now summarize what we have learned.